from Phace Installations, and welcome to another video on our YouTube channel. We're going to put reverse camera on this vehicle today. Seat Leon 2016. It's recently been in the garage as the rear end had been hit as they were reversed into another vehicle. So they've decided to fit a reversing camera. Now, this vehicle, when it's put into reverse, doesn't come up with anything on that screen, which we'll show you shortly. And while we also fit the reversing camera, the customer would like us to fit heated seats. So we're going to put heated seats into the front two seats and then stick this reversing camera. So as you can see, put it in reverse, nothing comes up on the screen, just the standard radio stroke sat nav on this system. And we're going to integrate it into that factory screen as if it was factory fitted, but at a fraction of the price. So nothing happens when you put it in reverse. So we're going to work our magic, put a really nice reverse camera on the back that looks factory fitted, and we're going to fit heated seat pads into these seats. So if you come after the break, you'll see how we've got on. Welcome back. Okay, so we've done everything we needed to do, and you can see there, very discreet, very tidy looking rear camera to help with parking. Though the vehicle's got parking sensors, sometimes the camera just makes all the difference. So we've integrated that camera into the factory screen. We've done the heated seats. We've put the switches on the side, so nice and easy access. Got two options, low or high heat. And we've done the passenger side as well. Just there, so if you switch it down, you got low heat, switch it up, you've got high heat, or you can turn it off. So let's show you this reversing camera in action. Jump in. Start the vehicle up. So you remember when you put the vehicle into reverse, nothing came on the screen, it was just still the standard radio. And then when we put it in reverse now, up pops the reverse camera. Very high quality picture. And if you turn the steering wheel, you can see the guidelines move as well. So it's got active guidelines. So when you're reversing and you've got the steering wheel turned, you can see if it's going to get in that parking space or hit a vehicle. Take it out of reverse, back to standard radio. You wouldn't know it wasn't factory fitted. As I said, half the cost of what the factory will charge. And there's the heated seat switch. So down goes orange, that's low heat. Light off, no heat. Red, maximum heat. And these heated seats do get very warm. Great for those winter nights. They also heat up quicker than the car's heater. So sometimes people love these. Just as soon as you get in the car, put the seats on. Within a matter of minutes, they've got warm. A lot quicker than the car's heater. And then you'll get all of the heat on the base and on the back as well. I'd be very pleased if this was my car. Easy access. You can see the light as well. Very easy to operate. Only works with the ignition, so you don't need to worry about it draining the car's battery, because they'll go off when the key goes off and when the engine's on. they'll come on via the switch. And as you can see with the door shut, you can still access the switches very easily. This is a 2016 Seat Leon. And now we've improved it with heated seats and reverse camera. As you can see, switch it off, they go off. If you put the switch to the centre, they'll go off as well. Absolutely lovely job. Hope you like what we do. Give us a like, subscribe to our channel, give us a call if you want to book your vehicle in. Thanks for watching.